What is up, guys? Welcome back to another vlog. We're here, obviously, Sheepy Race, the one and only. But today we're not here to just wash his car. We're here to wash my car. What? So here we have a 2000 Civic Si here, in need of a couple little minor things, of course. One of those things is a wash. We got Sheepy Race right here. What you got to say to the vlog, bro? Okay, never mind. Oh, add him on Snap. Always wants to shout out on Snap. Nobody follows him though, so it's all good. Oh, the bucket. Oh, and on Instagram, Slow.St, something like that.
Underscore slow.
Oh, there you go.
Underscore.
Oh yeah, and then follow my new Instagram, simp_si. Alright, we're gonna do a little walk around here. Wheels. There's a lot of dirt on it. Supreme stickers. I need to buy the wing. Sheesh. It's definitely gonna be a work in progress here. It's pretty quick for me. I don't know. Miguel hasn't driven it. My shift knob's not even on correctly, so it's all good.
I said I'm driving Mercedes. My windows not tinted, they look at me crazy. I ride through my city. I talk to that bitch like, look what you made me. We came from the basement. Now look at our statements. She calling me baby, calling me lately. All this shit changed when I got the sage.
See what I'm saying?
Oh yeah. That looks weird though.
Huh? But you be rubbing your mitt just by itself?
Yeah. Okay.
Oh, scratching. Oh, getting all the soap on the wrong spot.
Right.
Oh, that shit doesn't go farther, that's why.
Options, I pick out the litter. Smoking out the roof, it's like a chimney on the interstate. I get the whole city lifted. Opie told me that I'm intercontinental. They gon' know you from Belize or Sacramento, yeah. Like
Hey, Sheepy Ray's out here washing his car now. Hey. Could've got the white forces on, what? Hey, book is sitting nice. Sheesh, I missed a few spots, not gonna lie. I missed a few spots, but this shit looking glossy now. Alright, yo, what up, guys? It's the next day. I'm off of work already. We're out here trying to fix the door. This thing right here. And the shifter, I'm gonna install the short throw shifter. I had to try to super glue that. Car's kind of dirty on the inside, but we'll get that clean in just a moment. So we're gonna jack up the car and try to get this shifter. And this is what I'm gonna be installing: a Skunk 2 short throw shifter in here with obviously Skunk 2 shift knob. Looks pretty clean. This will help me not miss gears now. So let's get into this install. And then there's, I think, 4 screws here. There should be, but I think this one's missing. Oh, never mind, it is in there. Here goes another screw. All right, we'll get back to you guys in just a moment. All right, so far I got the rest of this off. So I'm actually gonna pull up the video because I obviously have never done this in my life. I'm gonna pull up the video, watch it real quick on this step here, and then I gotta see what I'm taking off from up here, and I'm gonna jack it up after that. But this is the progress that we've gone. This is also my first time doing it, so it's a learning experience. All right, guys, here's how it's going right now. We got it lifted. Hey, we're looking for the bolts. Look at it, we're so unorganized.
13, right?
Yeah, fuck, I don't think that's gonna
small
fit.
One?
Currently under the car, as you can see.
Oh, hi guys.
All right.
Try an 11.
Everyone's just watching right now. Luis? Luis?
There's a bolt in there that doesn't come out, that's why. This is currently where we're at. I'm kind of stuck right here. I don't know what. I might just be dumb. But we're kind of close, sort of, I think. Good? Yeah. Ahorita vengo, ahorita vengo.
Really?
Yeah. I installed it backwards.
Does it matter?
It's just gonna be more reaching. Alright, that's cool like that. Alright, here you go, bro. Alright, Luis.
What's up, bro? Oh, I didn't know you were recording me.
I'll have to find another day to switch it back.
Probably the weekend.
Yeah, most likely on the weekend. I just needed this new shifter installed, so it's shorter throws.
He's running up installing his thing backwards. I already explained it in the video, but he's very upset about it.
I knew it was supposed to be the other way. I saw this thing, that's why. Look, okay. Vlog. So here, I think. Shit, I need a light. Oh, I'm stupid. I think it's like on one of these sides. It said like Skunk 2 on there. And so I thought, okay, that's got to face like regular, like left to right down, you know? And I guess I installed it backwards. Alright guys, honestly, this is like 2 days of filming already. We're just chilling at Target again. And I think the heat shield is like hitting the exhaust, or the exhaust like fell down or something, because it's like rattling at like 3K. But I don't know, something's up. Obviously, we got to check it out now. I bought bushings because there's too much play on the shifter, so when I get the bushings in, I'm gonna end up swapping the shifter the right way. We're just ending off the vlog here because I'm gonna edit this tonight, have it up for Friday, aka today, for you guys. So anything you gotta say for them, Miguel?
Nah, bro, just follow me on Instagram.
Oh yeah, let's get the Instagram. Hey, must be nice. And obviously guys, make sure to follow my new Instagram, simp_si. Let's see where this build takes us. I got one part coming, which is the wing. I mean, it's not really that much because I'm broke, you know, but it's gonna look better with the wing because it has these 2 holes right here. So I don't want these holes. So hopefully it looks better. We can try Miguel's wing on and see how it looks. But yeah, we're gonna end up going home right now. I gotta work in the morning. Yeah, we're gonna end up the vlog here. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, follow both of our car pages. Links will be in the description below, and we'll see you guys in the next video.